I'm Adam Meister with Audio Equipment Company in Moorhead, Minnesota. When it comes to maintaining your property, John Deere lawnmowers and zero-turn radius mowers are very dependable. A John Deere riding mower will accomplish more tasks than a zero-turn radius mower, such as gardening, spraying, hauling, or even snow blowing. Paired with the right attachments, it'll get the job done. Zero-turn mowers are designed to mow well and at higher rates of speed. While maneuverability is their top feature, zero-turns do have some downsides. Each machine has unique and time-saving features, but which is best for you? In this video, I'll explain to you some of those features that will help you decide. Riding lawnmowers have a wider turn radius than a zero-turn and come in either 2- or 4-wheel steering. With a wider turning radius, riding mowers are better suited for open land with fewer obstacles or tight corners. A riding lawnmower will also accomplish more property care tasks than a zero-turn, including gardening, spraying, snow blowing, and hauling, just by pairing it with the right attachments. They are also better suited for slopes and are the best choice for properties with large driveways, ditches, or rolling hills. Unfortunately, the wider turn radius of a lawnmower means you'll have to back up and drive over already cut grass, resulting in a bit more work to cover an area. They also mow at lower speeds than zero-turns, and when operators have to go around obstacles, they may lengthen your mow time. Zero-turn mowers are designed to mow and do it well at higher rates of speed. They turn fast and easily can make smooth 180-degree turns at the end of mowing paths. They're also ideal for maneuvering around landscaping and obstacles like trees, flower beds, fences, and buildings, and have a top speed of between 7 and 9 miles per hour. While maneuverability is their top feature, zero-turn mowers have a couple of downsides. They aren't ideal for hilly property or ditch banks and work best on property that is generally flat. They also come with fewer attachments than riding mowers, making them a bit less versatile for total property care. When buying a new mower, there are several factors to consider. Whether it's price, equipment options, or maintenance, Audio Equipment Company will help you choose the right option for you and your property. Consider your needs, call, or stop in to talk to an equipment expert.